Good afternoon, everyone, especially to you, ma'am. So, my topic for today is all about media literacy, which is the chapter 7. Media literacy is the ability to access, analyze, evaluate, and create media in various forms. It involves understanding how media messages are constructed, recognizing their potential biases, and being able to critically assess their impact on individuals and society. Media literacy empowers individuals to make informed decisions about the media they consume and to participate more fully in the media landscape. Important roles of media literacy. Media literacy plays several key roles in today's society, such as critical thinking. Critical thinking, it helps individuals develop the ability to question and critically evaluate media content rather than passively absorbing it. Second one is informed citizenship. Media literacy is essential for understanding news, political messages, and social issues, which enables individuals to engage more thoughtfully in civic life. And the third one is empowerment. It equips people to create their own media content and share their perspectives in a responsible and meaningful way. Resisting manipulation. By understanding media techniques and strategies, individuals can better recognize manipulative or biased messaging, such as advertising or propaganda. And the last one is digital literacy. Media literacy includes the ability to navigate online platforms safely and responsibly, understanding the implications of digital footprints and privacy. Advantages and disadvantages of media. So here are the advantages. Information and education. Media serves as a powerful tool for distributing knowledge and raising awareness on a variety of topics, from health to science, politics, and cultural events. Second one, communication. Media enables people to connect with others across vast distances, promoting social interaction, collaboration, and even activism. And the third one, entertainment. Media offers diverse forms of entertainment, such as movies, music, and video games, which are integral to modern culture and leisure. And the last one, platform for expression. Media provides a space for people to voice their opinions, share their stories, and express creativity, fostering a democratic environment. And then here are the disadvantages. First one, misinformation and disinformation. Media, especially social media, can spread false or misleading information quickly, leading to confusion or even harm, such as during political crises or public health emergencies. Bias and manipulation. Media outlets can present news and information with inherent biases, often serving particular political or corporate interest. This can skew public perception and undermine trust. Third one, addiction and overconsumption. Excessive media consumption, particularly of digital and social media, can contribute to mental health issues including anxiety, depression, and reduced attention span. Then the last one, privacy concerns. The use of media, especially digital platforms, can lead to privacy violations, data breaches, and exploitation of personal information by advertisers and other entities. Rules of media literacy. It becomes easy to create media. However, it is difficult to know the creator of his, her reason, and its credibility. Especially, it helps individuals to, number one, learn to think critically. When people evaluate media, they decide if the messages make sense, including the key ideas, before being convinced on the information that they get from it. Number two, become a smart consumer of products and information. Media literacy helps individuals learn how to determine whether something is credible, especially the advertising, before they can be persuaded with the products on sale. 3. Recognize point of view. Identifying an author's perspective helps individuals appreciate different ideas in the context of what they already know. Number 4. Create media responsibly. Recognizing one's ideas and appropriately expressing one's thoughts lead to effective communication. 5. Identify the role of media in our culture. Media conveys something, shapes understanding of the world, and makes an individual to act or think in certain ways. Last but not the least, number 6. Understand the author's goal. Understanding and recognizing the type of influence something has, people can make better choices. And that's all. Thank you.